I knew what was going on here at the library, and then somebody said that they were getting short of readers. So I approached them and I said, you know, I really would like to do that because I like to read Yiddish and it's sort of almost like acting. So they said, fine, just make a sample tape. And I did. And they said, wonderful. It was, you know, they called it an Amerikaner Yiddish. I don't have the r, that resh, because when I try to speak that way, it really sounds contrived. So somebody said, oh, they liked, yeah, the Amerikaner Yiddish. I said, fine. And that's when I started doing it. I was sitting at a table with a book and a mic, and then there was a glass in front of me, and on the other side, there was a monitor, there was somebody recording me, and there was a monitor following with the book, of course, because sometimes I wouldn't realize, you know, these books, these words sometimes were Russian or Hebrew origin, and sometimes I myself wouldn't realize that I was mispronouncing it. Very good, they would stop it. And that's what it was, two little rooms, but it was an actual recording studio. And then I was here, so I would do it either on a lunchtime or whatever, and they would accommodate me. And some of the readers were getting older, and it was, you know, so that's how I got involved. I decided to do that, to let my acting abilities come through, like my, you know,